Hi everyone, and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Gold Star channel. In this video is the reading of simple words from vowel and consonant sounds A to F. Coming up. Hello, so from the vowel and consonant sounds, let's try to read simple words from the letters. Okay, so let's start with the letter A. All right, let's read. Follow after me. First, acorn. Okay, acorn. Now, notice the sound of A here. It's prolonged. A. Okay, acorn. Next, add. 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 Okay, so the sound is ah, the basic sound ah. Next, animal. Okay, animal. Animal. Next, ant. 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 Okay, next, ape. Ape. Okay, notice the sound of A again. It's like acorn. A. Okay, ape. Next, apple. So the basic sound ah, apple. Apple. Next, arm. 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 Okay, next, axe. 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 Okay, good. Okay, next is the letter B. Okay, the sound is b. B. Okay, let's read the words. First one, bag. Okay, again, bag. Bag. Next, bed. 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 Okay, third, bin. 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 Okay, next, born. 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 Okay, next one, bat. 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 Okay, next, bug. 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 Okay, next, bag. 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 Okay, the last, bond. 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 Okay, very good. Okay, let's go to the letter C. Sound is k. K. All right, let's read. Can. Can. Okay, can. Next one, cat. 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 Next, cub. 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 Next, cut. 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 Next, cow. 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 Next, cut. 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 Next, cub. 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 Okay, the last one, cart. 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 Okay, good. Okay, now look at these words, cat, cut, cub, cub. Okay, they almost sound the same, but the difference is the vowel sound. Okay, let's repeat. Cat. Okay, this one is cut. Cut. Okay, next, cub. Cub. Ah. Ah. Okay, this one is cub. Cub. Okay, just like this one. cut. This cat, cat. Okay, so that's the difference. Now let's go to the letter D. Okay, the sound is D, D, D. Okay, now let's read the words. Dad, dad, dad. Okay, next. Desk, desk, desk. Okay, next one. Dig, dig, dig. Okay, next. Dog, dog, dog. Next. Duck, duck, duck. Next one. Dart, dart, dart. Okay, next. Deer, deer, deer. Okay, good. And the last. Dim, dim, dim. Okay, good. Now let's go to the letter E. Okay, let's read the words. Ear, ear, ear. Okay, next one. Eat, eat, eat. Okay, next. Egg, egg, egg. Okay, next. Eel, eel, eel. Okay, next. Eye, eye, eye. Okay, next. Edit, edit, edit. Okay, next. 11, 11, 11. Okay, and the last. 8, 8, 8. Okay, so in here E has various sounds. Okay, so let's start with the basic sound, which is egg, edit, and 11. Okay, that's the sound Okay, okay. Now in here, the letter E is combined with the letter A. Okay, so it is pronounced E. Okay, E. And likewise with this one, E. E. Okay, and another is the double E. Okay, so it is also pronounced E. Okay, E. And another is I. Okay, this is a silent E, so just read it I. Okay, and another is the combination of E and I, so the sound is A. Okay, that's why it is 8 with the silent G. Okay, just read it 8. So we have 4 sounds in here of letter E. One is E, then the basic sound and then another I, and the last one A. Okay, good. Okay, now let's go to the letter F. Okay, all right, let's read. Fan, fan, fan. Okay, next one. Fed, fed, fed. Okay, next. Fix, fix, fix. Okay, next. Fork, fork, fork. Okay, good. Next one. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, next. Forest, forest, forest. Okay, next. Face, face, face. Okay, next. Fall, fall, fall. Okay, last. Four, four, four. Okay, good. Now look at the sounds of A here and O. Okay, A here is different, so face. A here is another O. Okay, the sound is O, so it is read fall, fall, right? That is A, this is O. A, O, right? Face, fall. Okay, so this has the same sound with this one. O, O. Okay, but this is letter A. This is a combination of O and U. Okay, so this is read fall, fall, and this one is four, four. Okay, so they almost have the same sound. O, O. Alright, okay? Yes, so we have just finished reading simple words from vowel and consonant sounds A to F. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and stick around for the next video of the letters G to J. Okay, see ya. Bye for now.